Hear the wind from Zion Hill. Oh, oh yeah. Lion watch and standing still. No wicked heart shall violate. The lion guard the gate. Morning sun pan ancient wall, shadow long with traffic's call. Lion stand proud and tall, watching over all. Golden mane in a breeze a sway, eyes bright like break of day. Babylon try find them way, but them turn away. No deceit can cross the line. Truth protect the sacred sign. Justice stronger than design. Power divine. Elder whisper soft and slow. Only righteous soul may go through the gate where rivers flow. Peace will grow. The lion guard the gate, standing firm and never late. Truth decide the righteous fate. The lion guard the gate. The lion guard the gate. Babylon must hesitate. Heart of courage resonate. The lion guard the gate. Many travel long and far, following the guiding star, searching who them truly are, past each scar. Some arrive with pride and gold, stories load and promises bold. But the lion calm and cold, see through the fold. Others humble, worn and tired, spirit still with hope inspired. Through the gate them soon admired, souls required. For the gate no open wide, to the ones with greed inside. Only truth may coincide. With Jah beside, the lion guard the gate. Watching early, watching late, falsehood cannot penetrate. The lion guard the gate. Hear me now, lion no roar for vanity, him roar for truth and sanity. Babylon try trick and cheat, but lion stand on righteous feet. Gate of Zion pure and strong, only justice pass along. Me brother climb the mountain high, wipe the sweat from weary eye. Hear the lion mighty cry, echo through the sky. Me sister walk the rocky lane, through the dust and through the pain. Still she whispered your name, hope remain. Children learn the ancient way, God the truth come night or day. Lion teach them how to stay strong as clay. From the gate a light shine bright, burning through the darkest night, guiding every seeking sight. Toward the right and the lion guard the gate. Faith and courage resonate, no oppression dominate. The lion guard the gate. The lion guard the gate. Truth forever regulate, righteous hearts illuminate. The lion guard the gate. Jake no built of stone alone, but inside the heart is grown. Every soul must stand alone before the throne. Lion symbol strength within, victory over fear and sin. When the righteous journey begin, light will win. Babylon chase worldly truth arise. So prepare the mind and soul, let humility take control. When the lion call the roll, enter on, said the lion guard the gate, standing strong and never late. Truth decide the righteous fate, the lion guard the gate. Faith and courage elevate, the lion guard the gate. Then watching Zion calling, gate still standing forever. Chant of the Ethiopian king, hear the lion roar in the morning wing. Children of Africa wake from sleep, the Ethiopian king still speak. Sunrise slope on the mountain crown, golden light wash the whole world round. Ancient drum beat deep in me chest, calling all the righteous we stand up and protest. Them say history buried under Babylon lie, but truth still fly like eagle in the sky. Scroll them whisper from age to age, wisdom still burning like prophetic page. From Addis Ababa to Kingston shore, echo of the king still roar once more. Him voice like thunder through the valley and plain, break every mental and spiritual chain. Chant of the Ethiopian king, hear the trumpet call, rise up children, stand firm and tall. Truth like fire can't ever fall. Chant of the king echo through it all, guide the youth with celestial light. From dusty road to Zion height, Jah word shine forever bright. Elders sit quiet neath the mango tree shade, tell the youth how the prophecy made. Say crown no mean just school and throne, true king rule from the heart alone. Wisdom deeper than the ocean floor, knowledge unlock every hidden door. Babylon build palace on pride and greed, but humble soul plant freedom seeds. So listen the chant in a midnight breeze, truth travel far across land and seas. Lion of Judah never sleep nor tire, him word ignite the spiritual fire. Chant of the Ethiopian king, hear the trumpet call, rise up children, stand firm and tall. Truth like fire can't ever fall. Chant of the king echo through it all, guide the youth with celestial light. From dusty road to Zion height, your word shine forever bright. Concrete jungle try bury the past, but roots grow stronger when storm them blast. Babylon system built on illusion, divide the people with fear and confusion. But the king chant unity loud and clear, love over hatred, courage over fear. Every man king if him soul stay true, every woman queen if her heart renew. So youth man listen to the drum beat call, stand for justice, never growl. Freedom no charity Babylon lend, freedom come when the spirit transcend. Chant of the king, lion roar make the whole earth ring. Truth rise up like morning spring, hear the Ethiopian Ethiopian king. Missy vision in a star-filled sky. Ancient crown glow as years pass by. No empire strong like righteous mind. No chain strong when soul unbind. Ethiopian king plant seed of light. Guide the lost through darkest night. From desert sun to Caribbean sea. In prophecy shape humanity. Children gather round the sacred flame, calling Jah in a holy name. Chant carry wisdom through time and space. Bless every tribe and every race. Chant of the Ethiopian king resound. Break every wall, Babylon below. Truth rise high, wicked fall down. Righteous soul wear the crown. Chant of the Ethiopian king forever sing. Let justice flow like river spring. From Mount Zion hear the bells ring. Praise Jah Jah, the Ethiopian king. Amber Lord, drum beat strong. Truth live on forever long. Children chant one by one until the final victory won. Oh, hear the wind from Zion Hill. Oh, yeah. Lion watch and standing still. No wicked heart shall violate. The lion guard the gate. Morning sun pan ancient wall. Shadow long with prophets call. Lion stand proud and tall, watching over all. Golden mane in a breeze a sway. Eyes bright like break of day. Babylon try find them way, but them turn away. No deceit can cross the line. Truth protect the sacred sign. Justice stronger than design. Power divine. Elder whisper soft and slow. Only righteous soul may go through the gate where rivers flow. Peace will grow. The lion guard the gate, standing firm and never late. Truth decide the righteous fate. The lion guard the gate. The lion guard the gate. Babylon must hesitate. Heart of courage resonate. The lion guard the gate. Many travel long and far, following the guiding star, searching who them truly are, past each scar. Some arrive with pride and gold, stories load and promises bold. But the lion calm and cold, see through the fold. Others humble, worn and tired, spirit still with hope inspired. Through the gate them soon admired, souls required. For the gate no open wide to the ones with greed inside. Only truth may coincide with Jah beside. The lion guard the gate, watching early, watching late. Falsehood cannot penetrate. The lion guard the gate. Hear me now. Lion no roar for vanity, him roar for truth and sanity. Babylon try trick and cheat, but lion justice pass along. Me brother climb the mountain high, wipe the sweat from weary eye. Hear the lion mighty cry, echo through the sky. Me sister walk the rocky lane, through the dust and through the pain. Still she whispered your name, hope remain. Children learn the ancient way, God the truth come night or day. Lion teach them how to stay strong as clay. From the gate a light shine bright, burning through the darkest night, guiding every seeking sight toward the right. Then the lion guard the gate, faith and courage resonate, no oppression dominate. The lion guard the gate, the lion guard the gate, truth forever regulate, righteous hearts illuminate. The lion guard the gate. Jake no built of stone alone, but inside the heart is grown. Every soul must stand alone before the throne. Lion symbol, strength within, victory over fear and sin. When the righteous journey begin, light will win. Babylon chase worldly prize, blind ambition veil the eyes, but wisdom see through disguise, truth arise. So prepare the mind and soul, let humility take control. When the lion call the roll, enter home, said the lion guard the gate, standing strong and never late, true decide the righteous fate. The lion guard the gate, faith and courage elevate. The lion guard the gate, then watching Zion calling, gate still standing forever. Chant of the Ethiopian king, hear the lion roar in the morning wing. Children of Africa wake from sleep. The Ethiopian king still speak. Sunrise slope on the mountain crown, golden light wash the whole world round. Ancient drum beat deep in me chest, calling all the righteous, we stand up and protest. Them say history buried under Babylon lie, but truth still fly like eagle in the sky. Scroll them whisper from age to age, wisdom still burning like prophetic page. From Addis Ababa to Kingston shore, echo of the king still roar once more. Him voice like thunder through the valley and plain, break every mental and spiritual chain. Chant of the Ethiopian king, hear the trumpet call, rise up children, stand firm and tall. Truth like fire can't ever fall. Chant of the king echo through it high, guide the youth with celestial light. From dusty road to Zion height, Jah word shine forever bright. he made. Say crown no mean just gold and throne. True king rule from the ark alone. Wisdom deeper than the ocean floor. Knowledge unlock every hidden door. Babylon build palace on pride and greed, but humble soul plant freedom seeds. So listen the chant in a midnight breeze. Truth travel far across land and seas. Lion of Judah never sleep nor tire. Him word ignite the spiritual fire. Chant of the Ethiopian king. Hear the trumpet call. Rise up children, stand firm and tall. Truth like fire can't ever fall. Chant of the king echo through it all. Guide the youth with celestial light. From dusty road to Zion height. Your word shine forever bright. Concrete jungle try bury the past, but roots grow stronger when storm them blast. Babylon system built on illusion. Divide the people with fear and confusion. But the king chant unity loud and clear. Love over hatred, courage over fear. Every man king if him soul stay true. Every woman queen if her heart renew. So youth man listen to the drum beat call. Stand for justice, never growl. Freedom no charity Babylon lend. Freedom come when the spirit transcend. Chant of the king. Lion roar make the whole earth ring. Truth rise up like morning spring. Hear the Ethiopian king. Missy vision in a star-filled sky. Ancient crown glow as years pass by. No empire strong like righteous mind. No chain strong when soul unbind. Ethiopian king plant seed of light. Guide the lost through darkest night. From desert sun to Caribbean sea. In prophecy shape humanity. Children gather round the sacred flame. Calling Jah in a holy name. Chant carry wisdom through time and space. Bless every tribe and every race.